If you like the content that you see on here on my YouTube channel, Center for Balance, you can learn more at thegroovygoddess.com. So it's Easter 2026 today, and yesterday I fell in the garden and I pierced my hand with a succulent stick because I fell into a succulent bush that I've grown, and one of the pieces of the stem broke off into a spear shape. It was kind of interesting. I showed it to my friend yesterday, and it was in a spear shape, and it was stuck in my palm. And when I fell, I had this immense pain that came over me. I felt like I was going to throw up. I was sweating. I was like, oh my God, what did I just break my arm? Like, I had never felt this type of pain in my life. And I got ice on it right away, and I was icing it, and the pain wasn't going away in this one spot. And I put my glasses on and looked, and I could see this spear in my hand, and I'm like, oh my God, I got to pull this thing out. And so I had to look the other way and pull it out, and then it started bleeding, and I had to first aid take care of it. And now it's feeling better, but although my fingers are numb and tingly, I think I hit a nerve, or there's inflammation in there. And so I've just been sitting here in the sun reflecting and sending healing energy to this space in my hand and reflecting on it's Easter, and I'm kind of feeling the piercing of my palm, which is interesting because the story of Jesus is that he was nailed to the cross, and his palms and his feet. And so it's just kind of interesting. I've been reflecting on it's Easter, and I've been looking at spiritual YouTube channels and things like that, and just trying to get a sense as to what is happening right now in the energy. Like in myself, I feel like things are falling apart for a reason, so that they can come back together in a more conscious, humane manner. And that is my hope and belief, and what I'm working towards with my own life and with things that I put out into the world. And so that's my my path. I know that's my path, but a lot of people are in a dark place right now. And so I just wanted to share some inspiration with you. And the inspiration that I got yesterday, the message that I got, is that I need to step up to the plate and put out more goodness in the world. And that's what I intend to do. And I did a card reading, and I pulled the death and rebirth card and the King of Wands. King of Wands is all about having the the spiritual magic, knowing, the knowledge, fire, action, all of that. And so that's where I'm headed. Anyways, I thought I would put out this Easter message. Happy Easter to everyone. I wish you many blessings, and I hope that you're in a place of peace at this time. And if not, then I hope you can somehow come to a place of peace, find where you can cultivate that, whether it be meditation or walking through the forest or going fishing or golf or whatever it is for you. I hope that you find that today. Namaste.